we're all going to die anyway. The more we try to ignore, we try to stop the fear of death and dying, it grows. And it grows underground and it will hunt us. But if you know how to face it and transform it, actually the death is really useful. And for me, it's a great, enlightening, great kind of like benefit for me. So there's a lot of great insights comes when you're really facing the death and dying. So, for example, for me, when I really accept the fear of death and dying, then it really gives me that my mind become more open, actually, more free, and at the same time, the normal what I call fixed mind, the frozen mind, easy to let go. The nature of looking at death and dying, try to learn about death and dying and use that as meditation, that has automatically a lot of power to really subdue the fixed mind, the misconception of seeing the reality.